It's been a while since we last met, but today we have Citizen. I bought this in the Black Friday sale from Citizen UK. Delivery, I'm not going to buy from them again. Basically, delivery's fine, but they only deliver on weekdays, which is a pain when you compare to Amazon, who deliver it whenever you want it, or to a third party location. Citizen only delivered to your house and it must be signed for. So in this day and age where everyone's working, how are you supposed to get your delivery? They got to change that. Also, the delivery mentioned it's arriving on one day. It did not come. So come on, Citizen, you can do better than that. I don't mind paying a bit more just to get things when I need them. Give us the option. However, let's have a deeper look at the watch because it's quite a good price. Although with all the delivery palaver, I'd rather not pay a good price and get it, but such is life. Let's move on. I'm just going to open this up. Oh, it's one of those disappointing big boxes with a small box inside, but it's a round box, cardboard box. It reminds me of some kind of fancy candy cardboard box. Smells like cardboard. And inside we have our sexily named BM8560-88L. No one names watches like the Japanese do. And you have a slightly off-center display. Let's fix that because it shouldn't be like that. It should be like that. So this is how it comes in the box. You can see that. A bit hard. You can already see the anti-reflection. Not perfect by any means. That's quite not good. Is that? There's no sticker on it, so wow, it's just shiny like that. But the bracelet does have the protection all over it. It's a titanium watch. Titanium scratches easily, so it makes sense to put plastic on, although no one puts plastic on like AliExpress watches do. They are very well protected, but this one is just a one piece of tape there, another piece of tape there. We have our sales band. Does that come off? Because it's weird. Usually they're looped on, but this one you have to cut off. Do I have scissors? No, but let's cut it off later then. So we also on the inside there's more tape. Oh, this is annoying. Oh, it's so annoying. I mean, look, it's like stuck on the inside. That's not gonna come off. Oh, this is super irritating. Nothing irritates me more than these kind of. Okay, now it's off. How about this side? This one also looks. Oh, it's super annoying taking this tape off. Okay. So that's done. The crown was out actually, which is also not good because if the crown's out, it means air's getting in the case, and if air's getting in the case and it's humid, which it is today, I hope it's not going to fog up later. And have they set the date? No, the date is not set. That's not good, Citizen. And the time is also wrong. That's not good, Citizen. I lived in Japan for 10 years. When you buy a watch in Japan, it comes with a time and date set. Is this how you do it in the UK? That's a bit sloppy. Let me just set the time. So, what time is it? Gosh. I make it about. Okay, I'll do that later. But let's just have a quick first impression. I can show you here. Anti-reflection. First impression. What anti-reflection? That is not anti-reflection. That is a reflection. So maybe you should advertise it as a mirror finish. You know, if you eat some ketchup and you want to check if you have ketchup on your face, you could use that. I mean, when you look at this kind of thing, of anti-reflection on a piece of glass like this. I think this watch is sapphire. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's sapphire. How much more does it cost for anti-reflective coating? Maybe 50p. You're saving 50p to... Why? Okay. Look at the size. It's manly size. That's a big watch. I mean, I have a 40mm on at the moment. It's definitely bigger. You can see my 40. This one's bigger than my 40. I don't like to give measurements because it's all subjective on many different things, but it's a big watch. And how's the strap? So usually I don't have to take off too many on the strap. It's a nice titanium bracelet, not strap. So I guess I'll be taking off, you know, 1 or 2. I like it a bit loose. I don't like to choke my wrist. It feels horrible when you have a tight watch on. If you like blood, have it a bit loose. Why would you have it tight? Do you wear a shirt with a very tight neck? These people, like, do you do that with your watch? When you wear a belt on your pants, do you have it super tight so you can't breathe? No. Why have your watch tight? You don't need it tight. So I'm going to take one of these links off and see how it goes. The watch feels light. I have a stainless steel strapped watch here. It's a Seiko field watch. It's a bit heavy. This one's meant to be super light. Tell you what, doesn't feel super light. It feels regular. Feels like a normal watch with a leather strap. It's not, as people said, you can't feel you're wearing it. You can feel you're wearing it. What else can I tell you about it? I mean, the pictures, it's a subdued blue. Can you see it looks like grey blue? On the internet, it looks like it pops blue with yellow. I tell you what, in real life, it does not pop. It's like a slate. It's almost like a slate grey, but it is a blue because it's got the blue and yellow. The black slate one has the red chapter ring markers. This one has the yellow chapter ring markers. It's definitely the blue one. I think the pictures are a bit deceptive. You know, when you take pictures, try to represent it honestly. Don't try to show colours it doesn't have. It doesn't have a pop. But if I wanted a pop watch, I would be disappointed. But I quite like how it looks. It is a big old watch. I think if you have big wrists, you can pull it off, but if you're a regular person, it's going to be too big. If you're a small man, don't buy it. It's going to look ridiculous. It looks big. I think big watches, they're a fashion thing, you know. I don't think they're going to be popular for long. I think probably medium-sized watches are always going to be okay. Small watches come and go. Large watches come and go. I think we're ending the phase of the large watch and we're entering the medium to small watch. This is what's popular now. I don't think this is going to be... You know, this is a watch you wear just so you know what time it is. You don't wear it to impress anyone, do you? So I think if you've got an 8-inch wrist, it's going to be fine. If you've got anything less than 8, save yourself a few pounds and don't buy it. Let's see. Cheers. See you later.